Previously, I tested several unusual ways to put out the flames. From water, dust, and artificial rain to bubbles and wind. The methods worked surprisingly well. Others didn't go as planned. So this time, I'll take a different approach. I prepared 6 special vehicles, covering sky, land, and water. To see which performs best. Let's start testing them one by one and see the results. We'll begin with this cloth carrier truck.
Whoa!
The wet cloth will lower down to cover the charcoal and block oxygen. Nice! It works really well!
How to build the cloth cover truck. 1. Build the track chassis.
The chassis has piston suspension to keep it stable. Add the sprocket. It uses for sprocket pairs in total. Add the tracks. Now I'll connect the 2 track sides together.
2. Build the lowering arm. I'll add the motor and gears into this frame to move the arm. Next, I'll build a frame to hold the cloth. Then connect them with these push rods. Add the cloth.
Place the lowering arm to the chassis.
Testing with candles.
Next is the Amphibious boat! It has a large tank at the rear that sprays water onto the flames. Wow, it's stronger than I expected! Now, move on to this hot air balloon!
Whoa!
Once it reaches the fire, it will drop the water balloon below! Perfect! Up next, I'll bring in an entire water tank train for this test! With this much water, it should perform much better! Yoo-hoo! Awesome! That put it out instantly! For a twist, I borrowed this double-decker bus to fight the fire! Not a real fire truck, but let's see how it handles it. The foam sealed it all. Finally, the mobile water tank will join the test.
Whoa!
Let's see if it can spray water far enough to reach the flames. Great, it reached easily.
How to build the water tank truck. First, I make the frame that holds the water tank. Place the tank inside. Next, I'll build the propeller pump. Add the motor. This long nozzle will guide the water upward. I'll reuse this track chassis for this water tank truck. Now add the water. Testing.
So, these are all the ideas I came up with. Which one do you think performed best?
Wow! Wow! Yeah!
Help!
Wow!
Huh?
Whoa!